haven't done one of these in a little while, so I figured I would do a 2025 pocket dump of what I carry every day in my pockets. And first off, I think one of the coolest things that I've gotten recently that I like is this Aurora A3 USB-C chargeable flashlight. And what I really like about it is that it's got 3 modes. It's very small. Let me make sure that it's staying in focus. There we go. It charges by USB-C. It has a surprisingly long life. It's got 3 modes. And then it's also got this pocket clip where you can attach it to a baseball cap and turn that baseball cap into a headlamp, which is really nice. Next thing on my key ring, I can't say this is my favorite carabiner, so I'm not going to highlight it. It does the job, but it's not quite my favorite. But I do really like this Leatherman tool, and I think I've shown it before, but it's TSA compliant. It's got my pliers. It's got a pair of scissors. This is the Leatherman Style PS scissors. And then it's got this combination file screwdriver. And then finally the carabiner clip. Oh, actually not finally, but the carabiner clip also doubles as a bottle opener. And then now finally, it also has a pair of tweezers, which if you're a parent, come in really handy more often than you'd suspect. So item number 1, my flashlight. Item number 2, this Leatherman. Item number 3 is a generic box cutter. And I actually carry this in lieu of, I used to carry a Columbia River knife tool company, folding knife, and just 1, bulkier than I wanted it to be, and 2, I had one too many chances to have to throw it away, which really sucked. And so after like the second one that I had to throw away for a number of reasons, this is recyclable, it's economical. I don't have to sharpen it if I don't want to. Either I can sharpen the changeable blades, the changeable box cutter blades, or else I can just get a pack and I can swap them out as needed. If I go into a venue that I'm not allowed to have a knife in, I can take the blade out and now it's just a handle. And even then, if they give me grief, if they give me drama, then I don't mind. I don't want to recycle it, but I can. Next up is this Peak Design wallet. What I like about it is that it's mag safe. And so, especially when I'm going to the gym or if I'm in a pair of shorts, if for whatever reason I just want to toss it onto my phone and keep the two together, it works exactly as it needs to. And then as a forcing function, I can't pack this thing full of stuff. And so it really minimizes what I can keep in my wallet at any given time. And then finally, recently upgraded to the iPhone 17 Pro, and big fan of the fact that everything is now USB-C charging. So if I want to go from charging my flashlight to charging my phone, I don't have to have 2 different cables, which is super convenient. And I've actually been really happy with the camera quality of the iPhone 17 Pro. So I've got a few other pieces of gear that I've recently collected that I'm going to be testing, that as I put more time and attention to my YouTube channel, I can put it through its paces. But I've been very happy with, I think I had the 14 before this, and Verizon was holding a launch sale where you could trade in your old phone and essentially get the new phone for nearly free. And so it worked out really nice. But as a little bit of a, as a teaser, I don't know if that's showing up properly, but this is the Polar Pro Lightchaser case. And what I'm seeing is whether or not I can treat this as my grab and go camera and then use my Sony for more of these dedicated sitting and talking through topics camera. But that right there You know, these 5 things are literally my pocket dump. And then here in a few videos, I'll probably take the time, sit down, and share the other gear that I keep primarily in my backpack. But appreciate you tuning in, and thank you for your time and attention, and I will see you in the next video.